Hello students, welcome to Vidyaniketan. Are you ready for today's class?
Everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be giving you content about the first chapter of chemistry. Okay, now the chapter's name is Structure of Atom. Now, to begin with, I hope you all are aware that anything which occupies space and has mass is matter. Okay, but do you know what is the smallest particle of the matter? Well, the answer would be atom. Okay, atoms are extremely small and minute particles and they cannot be seen through the naked eye. However, there are experimental proofs about the existence of atoms and they can be seen properly through the powerful electron microscope. Okay, now for ancient times, uh, Greek and Indian philosophers were puzzled about the nature of matter. What was it, and what was the smallest particle, and all. So, yeah, gradually they developed an idea that there must be some basic elements. Okay, now to begin with the views of atom, we have the first one to be Maharishi Kanad, and he was a great Indian philosopher basically, and he said that matter consisted with indestructible particles which was known as paramanus. Okay, now param, the word param means ultimate and the word anu means particle, which is nothing but atom. Now he said that a paramanu doesn't really exist in free state, rather it combines with other paramanu to get a bigger one. Okay, which is now called as molecule. So this was his views on atom. Now moving on, we have Democritus' view on atom. Now he was a great Greek philosopher. Okay, and he said that yeah, I am agreeing with the concept given before, that yeah, paramanu is nothing but atom, which comes from the Greek word atomus. Okay, which comes from the Greek word atomus, and the meaning of it is indivisible. That means everyone was concluding that atom is nothing but a non-divisible particle. Now moving on, we have John Dalton, and he gave his theory around, it was 1808 or something like that, and he was a English scientist, and he described that atoms are the smallest particle exhibiting all the properties of a particular element. Okay, according to him, atoms could not be divided further into smaller particles. Now, what was the fundamentals of his theory? To begin with, he stated that the matter consists of very small and indivisible particles called atoms, which can neither be created nor can be destroyed. Okay, so yeah, if it would have been destroyed, then we could have had a very smaller particle than that, right? So yeah, that proves that it was not a particle which cannot be destroyed. Okay, now moving on to the second point. The atoms of an element are alike in all aspects. But they differ from the atoms of other elements. Okay, this was his second postulate, and the third one, if we move on, would be atoms of an element combine in small numbers to form molecules of the element. Okay. Moving on to the fourth point. Atoms of one element combine with atoms of another element in simple numerical ratio to form molecules of compounds. Okay. Now moving on to the last and final point, we have atoms are the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. Okay, that can take part in a chemical reaction. Okay, these are the 5 points we get through the Dalton's atomic theory, and this was very helpful for the further studies. And now we can understand that after the years passed by, and now we came to know about some subatomic particles or the fundamental particles of atom. Now in the late 19th, basically different sort of studies and discovering was happening, and in the early 20th century, scientists discovered that the atoms are nothing but divisible. Okay, they consist still smaller particles. Who were they? They were electrons, protons, and neutrons. These are the subatomic particles or the fundamental particles we will have breaking an atom. So on the next class we will have a detailed idea about the electrons, protons, and neutrons, that is the fundamental particles of the atom, or they are known as the subatomic particles. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Thank you for listening me. If you like this content, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Bye.